Hi guys, this is a updated bike check. My bike, and I've got ODI bar ends, ODI soft compound grips that have been stretched. Odyssey medium mono lever, flipped upside down because I like my brakes on this side better. My Odyssey cable snapped, so I've got a Jaguar, nothing too special. Sputnik Skyline bars, they're pretty good. Still got this big bulky shitbox of a thing. It's a Odyssey headstock or stem, whatever. GT forks, GT wheel, Fly Reuben Alcantara tyre, bit Chase Hawk VI frame, I think. Odyssey Evo 2s down here. Animal Broadway pivotal seat with a, you can't really see it, but it's a kink, super short seat post. White stolen mob cranks. Clear with anodized blue middle, Mission Impulse pedals. Not too sure on the sprocket, and I'm not too sure on the bottom bracket. Yeah, so it's a KMC chain, KL70 I think it is. Got a Odyssey Chase Hawk tyre, Odyssey Hazard hub with Odyssey spokes and nipples, and a Odyssey Hazard light wheel. Yeah, that's about all. Just a little update. I think I've got a few new things, so yeah, bye.